You are going to love the 2010 Dodge Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, privacy glass, luggage rack, 4-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.